Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy. I'm Christodon1, and I am back with another video. Yeah. Now, who didn't see this shit coming? Shit went left, and it went left real fast and real quick for Mr. Rob Kardashian. Blac Chyna left his ass and left him with an empty room and some Christmas songs. On the first day of Christmas, Blac Chyna stole from me 3 4K TVs, 2 missing Egos, and my baby Miss Dream. Now, Rob Kardashian allegedly said in a recent Snapchat video that Blac Chyna took everything up and out of this house. She took the baby pictures, the baby's crib, the bed, the furniture. She even took his chips, his favorite snacks. Hell, she even took the grape Kool-Aid. And she had the audacity to vacuum behind this smooth criminal of an act. I mean, it was outrageous. And I guess you guys are wondering, what happened? What went down? What took place? Well, I'm about to explain, and here we go. TMZ has just reported that Rob Kardashian and Blac Chyna's on again, off again roller coaster of a ride relationship had the final death nail, the final blow, when this alleged, supposed to be, quote unquote, in quotations, hacker was going to release some material showing us the true essence of Blac Chyna. Now, Blac Chyna tried to do some reverse psychology with this supposed hacker. She was going to do her best Debo impersonation, try to do her best Samuel L. Jackson impersonation. Come on, I dare you. I double dare you. I triple dare you, motherfucker. Release that shit. Well, the hacker respected her wishes and released all of these text messages that Blac Chyna had made with several other celebrities and entertainers. It was a lot of messy text information out there at your disposal on social media. Now, you had a lot of text messages. You had one text message in particular where Blac Chyna was talking to Young Thug. I didn't really consider that being very messy. That was like a business opportunity. You had another text message with her and her lawyer trying to trademark the Kardashian name. Now, that was a little messy right there, Miss Blac Chyna. And you had another text message when she was talking about her fiancé, her soon-to-be husband, Rob Kardashian. She was talking about how she may have to leave Rob Kardashian if he doesn't get his shit together. Now, I have an opinion, and I'm about to tell you what all of this shit means, okay? Now, Blac Chyna is a thought. She has some thought type of fucking ways about herself. And Rob Kardashian is a fucking simpleton. But to sit up here and to label these two individuals, Rob Kardashian is somehow a victim and Blac Chyna is the villain, that's far from the fucking truth. Now, Blac Chyna is a lot of things, but the one thing a lot of people don't give Blac Chyna a lot of credit is she's very smart, she's calculated, and she knows how to solve and massage egos out of certain individuals so she can get ultimately what she wants out of this situation. Now, in the beginning of this relationship, she really didn't have no leverage in this relationship. So she put up with Rob Kardashian's ass long enough so she can get that last name, the Kardashians. And the only way she was going to get that Kardashian's last name, one or two ways. Either she marries Rob Kardashian or she has a baby by Rob Kardashian. She knew this since day one. This was always planted in the back of her mind. Blac Chyna is playing fucking chess, and she definitely played to Rob Kardashian's heartstrings. But at the end of the day, when you're talking about Rob Kardashian and Blac Chyna, there are no victims here. There are no villains here. You shouldn't really be sorry for these two particular individuals because life will go on with these two particular individuals. They're going to have a sustainable relationship when you're talking about their daughter, Dream Kardashian. But as far as them becoming an actual couple, maybe marriage down the road. I really don't see a future in that. When you talk about their television show, I still think they're going to go on with this television show, even though they might be living in two separate parts of the state or maybe two separate parts of the world. I really don't think there's no future with Rob Kardashian marrying Blac Chyna. You know, like I said earlier, you shouldn't be really feeling sorry for these individuals. The writing was definitely on the wall since day one when you're talking about these two individuals. But guys, tell me what you think. Rate, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. I'm Chris the Don One, and I am out. Deuces.